In a world where air superiority defines the outcome of battles and shapes global power dynamics, the United States is preparing to unleash a revolutionary weapon that could permanently tilt the aerial balance in its favor: the F-55. More than just a fighter jet, the F-55 is envisioned as a comprehensive warfare platform, a deadly combination of speed, stealth, artificial intelligence, and next-generation weaponry. Still in its conceptual stages, the F-55 isn't merely a follow-up to the F-35 Lightning II. It's a paradigm shift. If realized, this aircraft could redefine air combat for the 21st century and beyond. What the F-55 stands for: the F-55 is not simply another addition to America's arsenal. It is designed as a bold leap in aerospace warfare technology, consolidating decades of combat aviation experience into a single, superior aerial system. While the F-35 focused heavily on stealth and multi-role capability, the F-55 pushes those boundaries by incorporating transformative technologies such as adaptive engines, full-spectrum artificial intelligence, and in-flight drone coordination systems. This isn't just about replacing or improving existing jets. It's about creating something altogether new, a holistic platform for dominance in air, space, and cyber domains. The goal is not to iterate, but to innovate. The F-55 has been conceptualized to outperform any aircraft that has taken to the skies, offering a lethal mix of speed, stealth, and strategic adaptability that could fundamentally reshape global power projection. Twin-engine power. A major upgrade in the F-55's design is its shift from the F-35's single engine to a twin-engine configuration. This brings key advantages: increased thrust, greater reliability, and enhanced survivability in contested airspace. If one engine fails or is damaged, the other ensures the aircraft and pilot can return safely. Twin engines also extend operational range, reducing dependence on mid-air refueling. The adaptive cycle engines switch modes dynamically, delivering bursts of high speed in combat and optimizing fuel efficiency during patrols. With projected top speeds of Mach 2.8 plus, the F-55 combines speed, intelligence, and unmatched agility to outmaneuver any current generation fighter. Next level stealth. Stealth has long defined American fighters, from the F-117 to the F-35, but the F-55 sets a new standard. Its design prioritizes both radar deflection and absorption, using advanced materials and thermal suppression to nearly erase its infrared signature. Reprofiled contours reduce radar visibility from all angles, giving the F-55 an unmatched ability to remain hidden. But this isn't just about evasion, it's about dominance. By the time enemies detect it, it's already too late. Combined with advanced electronic warfare systems that jam or deceive enemy radar in real time, the F-55 can penetrate deep into hostile airspace undetected. In today's battle space, visibility means vulnerability. The F-55 flips that logic, seeing and striking first while staying invisible. The human-machine interface reimagined. The cockpit of the F-55 will mark a departure from traditional aircraft interfaces. Instead of switches, dials, and limited displays, pilots will be immersed in a 360-degree augmented reality environment that merges seamlessly with real-world visuals. This virtual interface is designed to reduce cognitive load and increase reaction time. Technologies such as eye tracking, voice recognition, and even neural gesture input are expected to be part of the control system, enabling pilots to interact with the aircraft using natural and intuitive methods. In the high-speed chaos of aerial combat, milliseconds can make the difference between victory and defeat. The F-55's cockpit aims to eliminate the lag between perception and action. By creating an environment where the aircraft responds almost as an extension of the pilot's will, the F-55 increases situational awareness and enhances combat efficiency. It's not just about removing physical controls, it's about removing mental barriers, allowing the pilot to focus entirely on mission execution. AI at the core. Artificial intelligence in the F-55 isn't a supporting feature, it is a central function of its combat operation. The onboard AI is being designed to assist with threat detection, targeting, navigation, and evasive action, particularly in environments dense with electronic and kinetic threats. AI will handle data fusion from various sensors, providing the pilot with a comprehensive and updated view of the battlefield at all times. This reduces the need for manual data interpretation and frees the pilot to focus on tactical decisions. The system will also assist in real-time mission replanning, optimizing trajectories, selecting weapons, and engaging or avoiding targets as necessary. This level of intelligence transforms the F-55 into not just a vehicle, but a co-pilot that can predict threats and act autonomously when milliseconds matter most. AI-enhanced fighters have already shown superiority over human-piloted jets in dogfight simulations, and the F-55 is set to bring that advantage to the real-world battlefield. Sensor fusion and 360-degree awareness. In the data-dominated battle spaces of the future, awareness is everything. The F-55 is being built with a sensor fusion architecture that combines inputs from multiple domains: land, sea, air, and space. This includes satellite data, airborne radar systems, infrared tracking, and ground-based telemetry. These sources converge in the aircraft's central processing unit, giving the pilot a comprehensive 360-degree picture of the combat environment. The result is predictive engagement. The pilot doesn't just know what is visible, they know what lies behind obstacles, what is cloaked or camouflaged, and what is likely to move next. This anticipatory combat model allows the F-55 to neutralize threats before they fully emerge. It makes reaction obsolete, replacing it with proactive strategy. When a fighter can anticipate the enemy's move before it happens, it achieves a level of dominance few platforms can rival. Unprecedented firepower in a stealth package. Stealth fighters have traditionally sacrificed weapons capacity for low observability, but not the F-55. With significantly larger internal weapons bays, it can carry a broader and more powerful arsenal while staying radar invisible. Expected armaments include hypersonic air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, laser-guided bombs, and potentially future tech like railguns or directed energy weapons. This gives the F-55 the ability to strike multiple targets simultaneously, hit hardened positions with precision, and intercept high-speed threats, all without compromising stealth. Unlike earlier stealth jets that relied on bombers or ground support for deep strikes, the F-55 is built to handle these missions solo, delivering unmatched battlefield versatility. Command of the Swarm, drone integration built in. One of the F-55's most groundbreaking features is its ability to command autonomous drones in real time. Integrated with collaborative combat aircraft frameworks, the F-55 acts as a central node in a swarm-based combat strategy. Drones under its control can handle reconnaissance, jamming, electronic warfare, and direct attacks, executing coordinated missions that overwhelm enemy defenses from multiple angles. A single F-55 pilot could orchestrate dozens of AI-controlled assets, using them to scout ahead, disrupt enemy systems, or strike key targets. This manned-unmanned teaming approach doesn't just enhance capability, it redefines it, turning the F-55 into a force multiplier once imagined only in science fiction. Why the F-55 can't wait? Although the F-55 remains in development, its technologies are already being actively pursued by the US Department of Defense, DARPA, and major aerospace contractors like Lockheed Martin. The jet is not a pipe dream, it is a culmination of ongoing programs such as the Next Generation Air Dominance Initiative. Critics have raised concerns about budget strain and potential overlap with other projects like the F-8XX or F-47. However, supporters argue that the F-55's integrated design leverages lessons learned from both the successes and limitations of past aircraft programs. Where the F-22 missed key export opportunities and the F-35 suffered from bureaucratic delays, the F-55 could streamline the innovation pipeline. With near-peer rivals like China and Russia making rapid advances in sixth-generation fighter development, the US cannot afford to delay. The need is urgent, the vision is clear, and the technology is within reach. And there you have it. If you found this video fascinating, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload about the next generation of military tech, defense strategy, and jaw-dropping aviation advancements. Thanks for watching, fly smart, and I'll see you in the next one.